Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to block and unblock people on Snapchat. First of all, open the Snapchat app. Now go into the chat section. Now hold the chat which you want to block. Click on Manage Friendship. Now you can block the person by clicking on the block option. Now go into your profile in the top right corner. Then go into the Settings section. Now scroll down and click on Blocked Users. You can see the people you have blocked here. Now click on the X to unblock them. Now you just have to search their account in the search bar and add them again. Now you should be able to talk to them. As you can see, the messages has been delivered. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.